Okay, guys, we are at JFK Airport, and this is the TW. Again. Okay, guys, we're at JFK Airport, and this is the TWA Hotel, and I've got my Z Fold 3 here, and that's BooredFemme,
Hi guys.
and she's got the Z Flip 3. We're taking a trip. We're going on JetBlue, and we're flying Mint, so business class. So you guys take a look and see how that trip is, and we're heading to London. Time for food. Okay, so guys, I am here at my gate, waiting for BooredFemme to get here. I've been using the Galaxy Z Fold 3 now throughout the day, and battery life is at 64%, so that's from 9 a.m., which is actually pretty good. Now, I haven't done too much with it, so I'm going to be watching a lot of video and looking at content on the plane while I take this flight, but since I'm flying Mint, you guys are going to see a very different experience. This is my first time going on Mint to, of course, international waters on JetBlue, so that should be fun. And I have BooredFemme here. She's waiting for me. She's like,
Hi.
yeah, she says hi.
This side.
The JetBlue has an awesome Mint business class experience. Tons of space, really nice, great product. Guys, I have to do a video on this, so stay tuned for it. But there's a lot of cool tech here. You've got wireless charging built into your seat. You've got ability to connect your smartphone to your TV, and you've got free Wi-Fi for the whole trip. So flying internationally, free Wi-Fi is absolutely golden, and honestly love it. Okay, so now it's time to take a little break and a quick word from our sponsor of this video, Qualcomm with Snapdragon Sound. Now, you guys know I love my audio, so the idea of Snapdragon Sound appeals to me greatly, bringing you like high-end great audio in one complete package. It takes advantage of every single SoC as well as also codecs that Qualcomm does well for audio. AptX Audio, AptX HD, all that fun stuff in one combined simple package. And you can find it in various devices like the smartphone for Snapdragon Insiders, as well as also the Massive Dynamic headphones you see right here, which, oh my God, they sound so good and they are amazing. And that's the kind of quality you're gonna get across the board. Now, hopefully for me personally, I would like to see it in more devices across the board. So hopefully more Android manufacturers pick it up, like Samsung in their Galaxy Z Fold series and future devices. So now, let's go ahead and explore more of London in Soho. So we're in Soho, and boom, look what I found. Samsung store. So let's go check it out, see if they have the Z Fold in there or something like that, which would be pretty nifty in there. But it is pretty cool that there is a Samsung store here in this place. No, don't worry. I'm cutting it right here. Don't worry. They don't want me to record. In the video, my mic wasn't on, so I am going to show you some other things. Show you Chinatown as we went through, some of the great food we had. We had some great dim sum, took some photos, had a good time, and honestly, London's a great place. So check out some images from the Z Fold 3. I'm not concerned about what you say because the laughter when I said Z, somebody just had
Obviously
a smirk
Z.
over there.
It's not Z, it's Z.
Z or Z?
You need to go back to school. It's Z. I really like this phone, but I feel if you're a Z Fold 2 user, you might not want to upgrade to this just yet. You might want to check out the Z Flip 3, just because the Z Flip 3, if I can get my words out, is actually a really good device. But my issue with this is basically the upgrade on this is not massively different from the Z Fold 2.
Really?
I don't think it is.
I mean, even with the pen?
Even with the pen, because from a Samsung S21 Ultra or Note user, for example, the whole point is being able to tuck this in and not see it. And I feel like this case is not doing it justice. I think the Fold should remain the Fold, and the Note series should remain the Note series.
I'm at the airport about to board, but I want to round up this video. I've been using the Galaxy Z Flip 3 for the last 5 days here in the UK. I've got to say battery life has been solid overall. I haven't been using it with the case. I'm just have the case because I'm traveling now because it was cumbersome walking around using the case. Now, I use the device mostly closed. I did open it up to show friends photos and videos. You saw what Tommy thought about it, and I think a lot of people like it. I think eventually Samsung still needs to slim it down. The S Pen needs to go in the device, but I do like a lot of the stuff that this device does, and hopefully we see better improvements and some really good just pointers in general. My experience has been great. Now I've also been using the Watch 4, which I haven't done a review yet, but I do like it. I've been using it on battery saver mode, which is basically saving a lot of battery on this device. Honestly guys, I do have to run, but definitely check out our sponsors, Qualcomm with Snapdragon Sound, see what they have. That's my flight, guys. So, and also big shout out to Thread for hooking me up with the outfits for this video. Lots of cool stuff that I wore. Great stuff in general. And I'll be dropping a video about JetBlue's Mint experience. So check it out. About to leave. Meet up with Tommy, Gadgets Boy, tonight and grab some drink. Saf didn't want to be in the video, so he decided not to show up. And I thought we were friends. Saf, I thought we were friends.